Here are 12 kinetic gadgets that will blow your mind. Number 12. Levitating moon lamp. Are you one of those people that could stare at the night sky, admiring the moon and the stars all night? Well, if you are, here's the perfect lamp for you. This gadget doesn't just look mesmerizing to the eye, but it also levitates, making it that much cooler. The best part is that the moon lamp wirelessly charges while it's levitating, so you don't have to keep a plain disc on your table while it's charging. Inside the moon, there are LED lights that can change from a gradient of warm yellow to white automatically. If this hasn't convinced you that it's the perfect gift, then wait till you realize the designers of this gadget have accurately marked each crater of the moon. Number 11. Mesmoglobe. Some days are just plain boring. You don't have any work to do and the day doesn't seem to move on. So to give your day some dynamic and movements, here's the visual illusion ball that spins as the spiral on it looks like it constantly moves. However, in reality, it's all just an illusion, but your brain doesn't know that. It's made of high quality materials that let it spin silently for a few minutes. Not only will you be able to look at it for hours, but it also won't make any clicking or tapping noises that could potentially disturb anyone around you. Number 10. Newton's Cradle. In a list of motion gadgets, we can't forget the age-old Newton's Cradle. It's a classic for a reason. It looks good in every environment and has a simple yet fascinating momentum. Moreover, if you're a teacher, it can double as a physics aid to help your students understand what Newton laws are about. This specific one is made of durable stainless steel and has an amazing reflective surface on the balls. It's almost impossible not to look at yourself in it. Number 9. Magnetic Decision Maker. The 8-ball decision maker is out of the game. There's a better and much cooler version of it. With just a ball hanging from a string, you can decide if you should do that pending assignment today or later. Just move the little ball and it'll stop above and answers, which include maybe, definitely, no way, try again, and ask a friend. The best part is, you'll never have to worry about breaking it like an 8-ball, since it's literally made of steel. Number 8. Kinetic Galaxy. This gadget is particularly loved by space fanatics who can't get enough of outer space. The Kinetic Galaxy desk toy isn't just beautiful when it moves. It has a holographic color shifting effect on the rings that looks mesmerizing even when it's still. Just spin the cone and watch the amazing metallic orbits move about in intricate ways. Moreover, you get to build this gadget by yourself like a Lego project. Don't worry, the instructions are included so you don't get too lost. Something this fancy would look amazing on a bookshelf or in your kid's room if he or she is into astronomy or science. Number 7. The Flux. Many gadgets need batteries or electricity to continue moving, but this one just looks like it runs on magic. Other than being incredibly attention-grabbing, the Flux is also fun to play with. It's basically a solid piece of metal with a super strong magnetic ball that creates an unusual anti-gravity effect on any surface. Once you drop the metal ball into the copper tube, you can watch it descend down as if it's happening in slow motion. It'll pop out of the end without even touching the tube in a tiny bit. It's totally a conversation starter, a stress reliever, and a fidget toy all wrapped in one. Number 6. Limbo Top. Remember the plastic tops you used to play with as a kid? Those boys are all grown up now, and thanks to Limbo, they look sleeker than ever. This self-balancing electric gadget looks like pure magic with the way it smoothly spins. But unlike the spinning tops you played with, this top refuses to fall. In fact, It has a world record for the longest spinning mechanical top that lasted 27 hours, 9 minutes, and 24 seconds. Fidget spinners are long gone, but this mesmerizing toy that looks unreal is here to replace it. You can buy a pack of 3, 4, or just a pair for yourself. But as a gift, it's even better. Number 5. The swinging sticks. Not everyone likes clunky and colorful items, and if you're one of those people, then here's the pick for you. The swinging sticks is a sleek and sophisticated gadget that looks like it defies gravity. Its double pendulum creates such a smooth and fluid-like movement that you won't be able to look away. The ratings can change speeds as well as direction, so this motion sculpture will baffle anyone who looks at it. Since it's a simple design, it's perfect for conference rooms, your office, display windows, or even a simple coffee table. Moreover, this piece of art is completely silent and perfect for medical and professional environments. Number 4. 3D Miroscope. If you're someone who gets bored with the same gadget way too fast, then this one's perfect for you. The miroscope is an object that takes small objects and uses an optical illusion to create 3D holographic projection. The item comes with a tiny plastic frog along with instructions, but the object displayed can be changed easily. You can display a new object every week or even day. Other than being absolutely perfect for your work or coffee table, is also a great conversation piece. Along with admiring the 3D hologram, you can run your fingers through it and watch how it disappears. Number 3. Anti-gravity gyroscope. What's better than a decor piece? A decor piece that you can play with. This anti-gravity gyroscope is made of zinc alloy, which means that it won't rust, and you can keep it on your tablet for a good couple of years. Other than looking like a fancy gadget from the steampunk era, it can even be played with. It assembles into a spinning top that you can hold. But what's better is that it can help you relax because of how simple this gadget is to use. Not only will your kids like it, but you'll find yourself fidgeting with it now and then. Number 2. Magic Drinking Bird. Everyone learns about condensation and mass and science during elementary school. But the amazing concept behind this toy attracts adults too. The classic Magic Drinking Bird is one of the oldest novelty toys that uses science to work. This silly bird has fluid which evaporates from the beak, making its top heavier than the bottom. And when this happens, it bobs up and down, almost like it's drinking water from the glass near it. As long as the bird can reach the water level in the glass, it'll keep bobbing up and down. If your office space looks dull and boring, then this cheerful bird will definitely add a pop of color to it. Number 1. Ferrofluid in a bottle. You've heard of magnetic objects, right? But have you heard of magnetic material in liquid form? Ferrofluid is a liquid that's attracted to the poles of a magnet, and this gadget has a small amount of it inside a bottle that you can play with. It's almost like a little monster in a bottle that moves about on your command. These nanoscale magnetic particles are suspended in a transparent liquid. When it's not disturbed and in a relaxed state, the liquid looks like any other goo or slime. But bring it closer to a magnet and you'll see how it spikes, stretches, and moves about.